Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So sadly we're on the last door number 1. I'm going to be so sad to see this calendar go. Right, let's see what is behind it, shall we? Ooh, it's a gel polish. And it looks a pretty one. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Look at that. That is beautiful. So this one is called Jack Frost. Oh, that is absolutely stunning. Look at that. I really like that. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp, and then I'll give it a second coat and a top coat, and we'll have a proper look at it, shall we? So there we are, guys. That was what was behind door number 1. How gorgeous is that? I think that is probably my favourite one. It's beautiful, and it applied really nice. They all actually had a really nice thin consistency. So that one was called Jack Frost. So shall we take a look at the other colours again very quickly? And that is all the colours, guys. There's some really pretty colours in there, isn't there? I love this gold one here. So we've got In the Red, Under the Stars, Sleigh Bell, Get Figgy With It, Naughty List, Jack Frost. This one is the 5-in-1 builder gel, which was called French Rose. And then we've got the 2 gold and silver holographic chrome powders. Oh, and I also got the Mylee orange scent cuticle oil pen as well. So I'm sad to say, guys, that is everything out of this year's Mylee Christmas Now calendar. If anyone's interested in buying any Mylee products, you'll find the link to their Amazon store in my description box below. They've got some really nice products on there, and they was an absolute pleasure to use. They applied so nice. So I just want to say a huge thank you to my buddy Aggie for sending me this calendar. You'll never know how much that meant to me, you sending me that. That is the sweetest thing anyone has ever done for me. Thank you so much, chick. So that's everything for today's video. I want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. I hope you have a lovely time, whatever your plans are. And I wish you all the best for 2023, where I really do hope you'll all be joining me on that road to 1K. Hopefully this year is going to be the year I finally get monetized. Fingers crossed. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're not already. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.